brain freeze the shit. Here are you guys making bad decisions. Remember, kids, stay in school. Tonight, it's all about the Diablo Dare. Ooh, I'm so scared. We've got the chicken Arby's dares you to take the Diablo Dare. And we have their crinkle cut Diablo Dare fries. So I think it's something like you're supposed to eat all this without taking a drink. Next, we have the fries. See ya. You can see there's a little cheddar cheese, a little diced jalapeño, some Diablo sauce. I don't know if you can see it or not, but hey, that's what we're doing. So yeah. There's a side view. Chicken looks dry. That's on me, so I'm not gonna complain about that, but hey, looks pretty good. Not too shabby. It's just you can't drink, but they didn't say anything about dipping sauce, so what I'm gonna do here as my twist is my brother from another mother, Steve, from High River Sauces. We got the Cheap Gold. It's the Vibrato style Scotch bonnet pepper sauce. So we might need some dipping sauce, so I think we should have some of this. That looks good. I don't know if that just DQs me or not, but we're not doing DQ, but that's okay. We're still gonna have some dipping sauce for these fries. So we'll be right back. But I've got some dipping sauce, and yeah, as they say, as I always say, let's get this down like a prom date. 1, 2, 3, cheers, pull my ears. Bun's still nice. Oh yeah. That cheek is pretty dry. That's on me though. It's fogging up already. Oh, nice. This is like smack chomping ASMR. I should do that. ASMR, baby. People get off on that shit, so hey, why not? Who am I to disappoint? You want to get off my ASMR? Hell yeah. We're doing some Cheaper Gold. Oh, that's hot. Oh shit. Psych. Not yet. It's not hot at all. Roast beef was a lot hotter, but you know, since I had that, I guess my tolerance is up. Woo! Got Heavy D and Freak Eating coming to town in a few weeks. It's gonna be a shit show, mama. Real shit show. Shit's dry AF. I'm not heavy D. I can't take 10 pounds of meat down my throat like he can. Just can't do it. Couple snaps from Richard. Whew. Okay. Heavy D, the Bears. You scream LGB, but people get whiny and pissy and cry about it. No chicken left, bun. So, there you go. Job well there. Done, son. Not ice cream, that's ice smoke. I like that better. So there you have it. Fucking brain, oh shit. Brain freeze, oh. Brain freeze, shit. So. Diablo there, done. Thanks for stopping by, watching this great. Remember, share with your fish. Peace out.